A pleasant day, everyone. Welcome back to my math tutorials. Today, I'll be discussing the last factoring technique, factoring sum or difference of two cubes. To start with, let us have these two formulas, sum or difference of two cubes. For the sum of two cubes, note that the terms are perfect cubes, and its equivalent in factored form is a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. While for the difference of two cubes, a cubed minus b cubed, the factored form is a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. Now, before we use the formula, let's have the steps in factoring the sum or difference of two cubes. First, get the cube root of each term. Second, write the first factor, the binomial factor, using the cube roots in the first step and taking the operation between the terms of the given expression. And last step, for the second factor, a trinomial factor, take the square of the terms in the binomial factor, and this will be the first and third terms of the trinomial, while the second term is the additive inverse of the product of the terms in the binomial factor. To illustrate the steps, let us have this example, 8x cubed plus 27. First step is to get the cube roots of 8x cubed and 27, giving us 2x and 3. Second step is to write the binomial factor using the cube roots in step 1 and taking the operation between the terms of the given expression. Thus, our binomial factor is 2x plus 3. And last step is to find the trinomial factor by taking the square of 2x and 3, resulting to 4x squared and 9 as the first and third term of the trinomial factor, while the second term is the additive inverse of the product of 2x and 3, resulting to negative 6x. Therefore, the trinomial factor is 4x squared minus 6x plus 9. And so, the factored form of 8x cubed plus 27 is 2x plus 3 times 4x squared minus 6x plus 9. How about the factors of 64a raised to 6 minus b raised to 9? First step is to get the cube roots of 64a raised to 6 and b raised to 9, giving us 4a squared and b cubed. Second step is to write the binomial factor using the cube roots in step 1 and taking the operation between the terms of the given expression. Thus, our binomial factor is 4a squared minus b cubed. Lastly is to find the trinomial factor by taking the square of 4a squared and b cubed, resulting to 16a raised to 4 and b raised to 6 as the first and third term of the trinomial factor, while the second term is the additive inverse of the product of 4a squared and negative b cubed, resulting to 4a squared b cubed. Thus, the trinomial factor is 16a raised to 4 plus 4a squared b cubed plus b raised to 6. And finally, the factored form of 64a raised to 6 minus b raised to 9 is 4a squared minus b cubed times 16a to the fourth plus 4a squared b cubed plus b raised to 6. That's it for today. Thank you for joining me in my discussion. See you in my next tutorials.